introducing my instructional materials, which is flip chart. So that is based on my specialization, which is I am major in mathematics. That's why I have choose also the topics which is related to mathematics. Next. So good morning, ma'am. This is my instructional materials, which is the flip chart. I prefer to have a flip chart with recyclable materials. Flip chart is very common to us, and I choose this because this is what I think that students can learn more with my discussion. My specialization is mathematics, and commonly people hate the subjects without considering its helpful side. So this flip chart, yes, would help them remind the lessons that they do not understand, since it can be displayed in the classroom. It can be left in the classroom. So if ever they have questions or confusions, they can just visit the reading corner so that they can review what they for the topic that they are confused about. So flip chart really is very helpful to the student, especially if they want something to go back, since it can be displayed in the classroom, within the classroom, any corner of the classroom. At least it is within the classroom. It is also very convenient to use and easy to make, and can be made recyclable materials that will lessen your expenses instead of buying some materials to make some instructional materials. But I didn't say that you cannot do or make another instructional materials, but this is what I think that it is suited to my specialization. So the only thing that you can do is how you let your students focus on your topic. So you must have the designs or decorations that you want, so that the students will be persuaded to listen with your discussion. Focus in as a future educator, I will use this flip chart to the students that I would going to teach soon, because it is easy for them to remember the concepts that I have discussed. In flip chart, you can make your visual aids clearly, and students would really understand well the topic, especially if you are going to have a very clear concept that would help them easily to understand the topic. So if you have to make this flip chart, make sure that your writings are visible to the students, so that they can easily understand, since it is very visual. So mostly students they can learn easily if the discussions is through, they can see the discussions, or they can see the examples, like for example this one, polynomials. So oh my god, types of polynomials. So it is already displayed here. The only thing that can teacher do is to discuss these topics and give the activities. In addition, I have this mathematical dice in which the questions and equations are to be solved are written here. Since after the discussions, I will be giving an activity so that everybody would cooperate, and I will evaluate them if they understand the topic well. So I will group them, of course, so that they can share opinions on how to solve that particular equations, or what are the topics that we discuss. So example, I will do this. So and they choose, and the example questions or equations to be solved is x squared minus 2x minus 8. So it was written here to solve. So as based on the discussion, so of course they have to follow the ways or methods that I have already discussed. So this is my instructional materials. Since I want the students to have interaction with me, that's why I made this, guys, so that the students can interact also and share their opinions and share their learnings to the class. And also, I can evaluate them if they really understand the topic that I have discussed. So that if they do not understand, I can discuss it again and they can learn. So that's all for my instructional materials. I hope guys you like it and you will be encouraged to use these instructional materials, which is flip chart. That's all. Thank you.